Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another unboxing. What we have for this video, it is our Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate for the month of November. And for those of you that don't know about this box, this is a $49.99 monthly, yes, monthly, not quarterly, monthly subscription. So I pay $50 for this box every single month. This is the second month that we have received this box. The first one was okay. So I'm excited to see what they did for their second month. I hope it's better than the last one. So this one, you get 12 items in total. 8 are full size and 4 are deluxe size samples. So pretty much it's almost like putting an Ultimate Glam Bag Plus and the regular Glam Bag together in one box here. So let's just get into it because we have a lot of products in here, a whole lot more than we do on a normal box. So let's get in to see what we have for this month. So like all your other boxes, they're all packaged in there with your protective foam and all of that. And let's start pulling them out. We have the little pamphlet. Last time they didn't give us full-size prices, and it looks like this time they are not either. So let's see what we have inside. Ooh, first thing I'm gonna pull out, and I really like this one. This is our bag for this month, and I like that they did this. Last month, they gave us just another regular small cosmetic bag. This one, they gave us a travel size bag. And I like that it has like little compartments here, has a zipper with a little mesh compartment, and then another little pocket here. So I'm really liking this one, and it's a really good size. So I really like the bag that they included for this month. Let's start taking out our products. I'm going to start with this one. And it is, of course, something from Wonder Beauty. They are always in boxes. So what we have here, it is the Wondrous Rush. And it is an eyeshadow palette. So let's see what colors we have. This is the outer box. Let me see what the colors look like inside. Ooh, these are really pretty colors. So these are the colors that we have inside. These are really, really nice. They aren't crazy, out of this world colors. They're very wearable colors. Let me swatch them. Ooh, that feels really nice. Let me swatch them so you guys can see what they look like on the skin. Okay, so these are the colors here. I am really liking this one here. On the palette, this is called Avenue. This one's really, really pretty. I mean, overall, I think the colors are all really, really pretty, but this one is the one that grabbed my attention. So I'm excited for this palette. It's really, really nice. Okay, just looking into this box, it seems like we have so many things in here. So up next, I'm going to go ahead and grab this one, and this one is Context. And it is a matte lipstick in the shade Sweet Emotion. Very simple packaging, so let's see what the inside looks like. Ooh, very simple on the inside as well. All black with just context on there. And, oh, this is a really nice color. That is the color there. So let me swatch it. That is totally up my alley. That is the color on there. It is on like the brown, like the brownish side. Sorry, I did a horrible swatch, but it's a really nice color. It almost smells like coconutty. I don't know if it's just me, but that's a really, really nice color. So this is another one of our items, and let's just keep going because we have a lot to go through. Up next, I'm gonna grab this one, and it is from Eva NYC. And it says it is a Satin Dream leave-in cream with Caraves and argan oil. It detangles, smooths, and moisturizes, and it is for all hair types. So it's just a cream for your hair. This is what our packaging looks like. This is, as we can see, one of our deluxe size items in the box. Up next, I'll go ahead and grab this one, and This is from Kismet and Buff. Wait, I think I actually received this one in one of my last boxes. It's a lip scrub, and it says all natural, paraben free. I don't know how to say that word, and cruelty free. So let's see. Here we go. So this says it is all natural. Smells really, really good. Ooh, that tastes really, really good. It got on my nail. It says all natural. It does have a perfumey taste though, so maybe you shouldn't eat it. I mean, it says all natural. It's not made to be eaten or ingested, but it got on my nail as I was opening, so it smells really good. But it does have a perfumey taste, so I don't really recommend eating it. But this is a lip scrub. Like I said, I recently received one in one of my other boxes, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep this one. And I still haven't used the other one that I got, so I'm gonna pass the other one on because I didn't really like touch it. So this one I like accidentally dug my nail into it. So this one, you know, lip scrubs always come in handy, especially right now in the winter. So let's see what else we have. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this one, and it is from Kale and Spinach Green Tea Hyaluronic Acid, and it is a superfood air whip moisture cream. So not too long ago, if I remember correctly, we received a face wash in our Sephora Play by Sephora box, and so here we have a moisturizing cream. It's a very tiny little sample. So again, this is one of our deluxe size items from our box. It's just a very tiny little cream. I really did like the face wash that they gave us in the Sephora box, so I'm hoping this moisturizer is just as good as the other one. So another deluxe size item. Up next, I'm gonna grab this one because it's on top. Oh, okay, for a moment I thought I was getting a repeat, but we have another thing from Gigi Gorgeous. This is the blush duo. So we received our we received a bronzer duo in our Glam Bag Plus, but here we have the the blush in this box. So let me take it out so we can see what the colors look like. And same packaging on the outside. And these are the colors on the inside. This one here is more on the peachy side, and this one here is more on the pink. But this one also has more of a glitter shine metallicness to it. So if you like those colors, then this one is up your alley. And I don't know if you guys can see it on my hand. This is the pink one. This is the peachy one. This one is not, the color is not as out there as this one. It's a little bit softer. So let's see. Yeah, like, so they're very, very light, just like the bronzer. They're not super duper pigmented, but like I mentioned last time, sometimes it's better for them to be light so you can work them up to the color that you want, rather than, you know, getting like a bunch of pigment on your face and not be able to get it off. So, you know, it's better, sometimes it's better to start with less than with more. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna grab this one here. And, ooh, this is a dry shampoo with oat milk. So this is from Laboratories Chlorine, I think. And this is a dry shampoo. So I've never heard of this brand before. So let's see what it looks like. It smells good. It does leave a lot of white on my hand. So I hope it doesn't leave such a huge white cast when you put it on your hair. Because that's sometimes the problems with some of the dry shampoos, that when you put it on, it leaves too much of a white cast on your hair and your hair looks ashy. So I hope this one doesn't do that. But it smells really, really good, which will do a really good job when obviously you haven't washed your hair in a few days. It just kind of freshens up your hair. So that's another item. I'm assuming that is a full size product, because it's like a pretty good size. It smells really good. Up next, I'm gonna grab this one. This is from Tristique, and this is the Brazilian Bronze. I really like their packaging. It's really cute. It's different. It's, you know, I haven't really seen any other companies package their products like this. So they just look like giant, chubby, like either crayons, pencils, you know, whatever you want to call them. But this is what it is here. So here you have on the top, wait, is that all you get? Oh no. So you spin it to get your product out. But here you have your, like your bronzer. So that is the color there. It obviously is a cream bronzer. So that's what that looks like. And they, a lot of the times have 2-in-1. So this one here, how do you open it? There you go. So here you get a brush. You get a little tiny brush so you can blend it out. I hear about this brand a lot from Shannon from Mojo in the Morning. It's actually a Michigan radio show, but she always posts things about Tristique on her Instagram. And that's the only way that I hear about it so much is because of her. She always claims that she loves these. So I was always curious to try them, but I've never purchased them myself. And we're finally getting a lot of these in our boxes. So now I'm finally getting to try them out. So another full-size item. Let's see. I've got this one next. Just because this one, I've seen that it's pretty pricey. I've seen it in Ulta. I haven't really seen it anywhere else, so I don't know where else they carry it. But this is from Juice Beauty, the organic solution. I think this might be, a Gwyneth Paltrow line or somebody. It's like a famous person's beauty line. And this is the Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum. If I'm not mistaken, this is in like the $40-$50 price range. Let me try to pump. Whoa. So that's it there. Just your clear white serum. And it's supposed to be an anti-wrinkle serum. It's just feels like a gel once you like rub it in. I think I pumped out too much. I don't have space on my hand because I've been swatching, but it feels really nice. And you know, you can never have too many anti-wrinkle products because time catches up to you. So, you know, so not a bad thing that we're getting anti-wrinkle serums in our box because, you know, they always come in handy. We're almost done with our products in here. I'm going to grab this one next. So this one, it is the best seller kit from Billion Dollar Brows. And it looks like we have a 4-piece kit here. Let me take it out. Okay, so this is what we have inside. We have a Billion Dollar Brows Universal Brow Pencil. We have a brow gel. We have a smudge brush. And we have a brow dual pencil concealer and highlighter. So this one's dual ended. Here our little brush. This is our little brush. It's just flat on both ends, flat on the top and then flat on the edge like this. Then our brow gel, I wonder if this is clear. Yes, so this here, it's a clear brow gel. So you can just pretty much put it on your brows once you're done, you know, coloring them in. And then we have also a dual-ended brush. We have a spoolie on this side. And then we have our color here. It does say it is a universal color. But honestly, I have received this pencil before and I forgot what other box. I do not think this color here is universal. That is it there. It's pretty light, I think. And for girls like me, I have tried the other one. When I put it on, I think my eyebrows looked a little bit more on the like warm brown kind of color. So I honestly don't think this is universal because I do have darker brown hair. And I don't know if you can say this is universal. And then very last thing here from our little kit, we have, so this is the highlighter. So this one you can pretty much just under your brow. I don't think you can see it too much, but under your brow bone, once you are done using your, your color, You can go ahead and put that on there. And the concealer, I think this one you can use it more to like clean up your eyebrows like all around once you are done coloring them in also. They are very similar tone, which is really, really similar to my skin color. So you can't see it that much, but those are both of the colors there. So we got a kit as part of our full size items. So let's move on to our second to the last. I'm gonna grab this one here because this one I know It Cosmetics has, you know, a good price to it. So this is not, you know, a $5 item. This is It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cleanser. And this is the Skin Transforming Hydrating Cleansing Serum. And again, it's anti-aging. So I know their products are really, really good. This is what our cleanser looks like. And they put like little stickers here that says not for sale. So for those of you trying to sell it, it has the stickers here that says not for sale. So this is a really good size cleanser. You get 5 fluid ounces. And, you know, you should wash your face every day. So we have a really good size cleanser here. And then we have our very last item in here. It's wrapped in a little bubble bag. It says Bite Your Kiss. And it looks like it is a nail polish. It's a really nice color. So this is from Smith & Colt. And we have a nail polish in the shade Bite Your Kiss. So that was the shade name. And then with this one here, it is the very last item from our box. Let me know what you guys think down below. I'm going to try and find some retail prices for these items and try to put them up on the screen so we can get an idea of what the value of the box is. Let me know what you guys think of this box. It is, again, our second box that we've received from Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate. And I honestly think it was better than the last month. So let me know what you guys think down below. That is all for me for today. And I am all done here. I will be back with another video pretty soon. And I hope I will see you guys next time. Bye.